Well, welcome to a new Upbuild video.
Well, start of a new day. We're going to get these cant rails fitted today.
Yeah, definitely. Brilliant. So as you saw in the last one, we got them all nicely painted up. So like my dad says, we're going to get crack on and get them fitted in our classic Mini Mk1 conversion. Fantastic, there we go. Right, so what I'll do now is I'll put a bit of weld through primer on. That's the stuff there I've got. It's the same make as the epoxy primer we've used. I've never actually used that one, it's HB body. So I know a lot of people use U-Pol. Weld through primer is the best stuff. And so U-Pol, that's obviously not weld through primer, U-Pol. But like I say, I couldn't get a hold of any U-Pol. I could only get the HB stuff. It's the same make as the zinc primer. Sorry, the epoxy primer we've used on the pan. So yeah, like I say, we'll give that a go anyway. Right, and there we go. So that's a quick clean up round the edges with a wire wheel, just where I just cleaned round that where I'm going to splice the top of the gusset in for the B pillar, and then just on the back corner on the outside of the cant wheel that goes around the back, because the new piece goes in behind it. I'll just clean that piece off there so I can weld through nice and cleanly. Then the same on the opposite side. So that's it. So we can get the cant wheel in here now. I've got all the vice grips that we possess to clamp it all in nicely and get it tacked in. Once we've got it tacked in, it can work along and get it all nice and tight where we're welding it. Fantastic. So I'll get the other cap wheel, put it in, clamp it up. Right, then there we go, that's one side welded in. So what we'll do is, I'll see that needs a little bit of a clean up obviously, but what we'll do is we'll crack on now and get the other side welded in. So we've got the other one, you saw us obviously put all the weld through primer on, and what have you, so we'll get that one lined up. We've just got this last little stretch to weld and the corner piece, and then they're in. Right, we'll get this bit welded in. Handy, we've got these little magnets, we're just sticking them on the roof and then hooking our light on, with little battery powered lights on. Handy little tip.
Nearly there. One stretch.
Fantastic. All welded in.
Is that her?
It's all done. Fantastic. Right then, fantastic. It's nice to get back out of that tight little mini shell. So that's them both welded in. Lovely. And my dad sat outside ready with the table set with the beers. Just a job. You can see that. Yeah, so both welded in. Give you a little quick look. Obviously a lot of tidying up to do. Tidying the welds back. There we go. Pop you inside. There we go. And kind of get a little bit of a look. Like I say, a bit of tidying up to do. Along that side too. Bit of the paint spilled over when I've epoxy primed that one. Anyway, there we go. You get a better look once I've cleaned them up and got them all set. We've even got the whiskey bottle out. Unfortunately, it's not Edred Hour. If you like your whiskey, you'll know that's a nice one. It's our favourite, that one. Anyway, there we go. Right, we're going to sample some of that whiskey and have a beer now. There we go. Right then, what we're going to do now is we're going to take a bit of the bracing out that we had in for the cant rails, which we don't need in the car anymore now. Get it out of the way, and then we can tip the car on its side then and start cleaning off and linishing back all of those welds that we put in around the cant rails to get them in. So we'll take some of this bracing out. There we go.
Okay now?
Yeah. There we go, right then, set up to start grinding back the other side, cant rails. I'll give you a quick look. This is the beauty about having this rotisserie jig, that we can obviously sit it on its side which then allows us to literally sit on my stool while I'm grinding the cant reel. What I've been welding on. Obviously going to clean that bit off now, same as I have on the other side. As I said, I can literally sit on my seat as it saws, which makes life a lot easier. Yeah, so the cant reel just got basically this little spring here which pops the pin in. We've got 8 locations, so every 45 degrees we can stop it, which is very useful, very handy. Anyway, set the camera up, we'll start grinding back that cant reel. Right now, I've just given them a very quick clean off with the paint removal disc, just to sort of clean any bits of epoxy primer that has come through, and just to tidy them up. Eventually they're going to get rubbed right back again to bare metal, and then before put the original, or the paint the whole car in epoxy primer. So it's just a quick tidy up just while we're working on it, that's all. Nice to look tidy.
Yeah, that's all the cant reel's fitted in now, right around here now. And now what we're going to try now, we're going to try the headlining in it. And just see what the headline's going to look like now we've got them cant reels in.
Smashing.
We've got to want to try, and we're going to give it a go.
Yeah, let's give it a shot.
Give it a go, eh? You know, see that? See when you lift up like that, you can see it'll go back a bit further. Well, we just want to try it.
We just want to try it. Exactly.
Perfect. That's brilliant. That goes in like that.
Fantastic.
It's got to be all new headline going in anyway.
It is exactly. Well, there you go. What do you reckon? Mark 1 headline and fitted. Needs a little bit of a clean maybe, so we'll give it a little bit of a spit,
bit of a clean up.
A cleaner.
Like put the new one on.
I think so.
Clean up like put the new one on.
We'll get on those lovely Alcantara ones.
That's good. That shows the cant rails now. That shows how the cant rails, how they fit in.
Exactly.
That's why we needed it. Wow, chuffed to bits about that. Look at the nice headlining in there now.
Fantastic.
Absolutely fantastic.
A huge thanks to Daniel for helping us out with that. You can see how much work's gone into fitting that. So you've really helped us out a lot, Daniel. Fantastic. Thanks very much for helping us out with that. That's
Don't
great.
forget to press that thumbs up button though.
Yep, press that. We appreciate you watching. Thank you very much. Appreciate it a lot. Don't forget also, give us a follow on Instagram. If you haven't already, you can get a bit of an update on there before the videos go out. Anyway, that's going to be it for this one. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.
See you. Bye.